Early in the morning, man. Running kinda late, I gotta catch my plane. Feeling kinda funny from the weed and thing. Kinda glad I woke up so I can't complain. I really need a break from this paper chase, but my girl ain't gonna wait for the diamond rings. My son ain't got to wait for no proper clothes, so I'ma take a trip and do a couple of shows. So many different things be running through my head. It's mandatory that I keep my family fed. On come the stumping boots and I'm out there again. Seems like this crazy pace is never gonna end. Just another day, 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 just another day. I'm on a mission, man. I'm fired up. They let me taste it, man. And now ain't nobody standing on the wall. I bust the way I bust because they feel it, y'all. People got opinions all about me, y'all. I got a lot of girls, so they call me dog. Constantly around me is friends and foes. Say the wrong thing, better bust your nose. I gotta give it up to my nigga Rose. Even though at times we fuck the same hoe. All the other niggas, I'ma let you know. Ain't no player hating, go for what you know. When if you see a girl that I like to lay, feel free to send her my way. Just another day, 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 just another day. If I call you baby, would you swing my way tonight? I got something for you that I'm sure you're gonna like. If I call you baby, would you swing my way tonight? I got something for you that I'm sure you're gonna like. And we can do it just if I call